The following segment is sponsored by Wasatch Medical Clinic. It's time to turn up the heat in the bedroom. Miles from Wasatch Medical Clinic is here to tell us about a treatment for ED. Welcome back, Miles.
Thank you. You know that I love to be here.
Yes, and we love to have you because we always have a good time here. And speaking of having a good time, if you are having issues with ED in the bedroom, you are not having a good time. But luckily, you are here to fix all that for everyone out there, right?
I am, because it's so hot outside, but for 30 million men in this country, it is cold in the bedroom right now. 71% of them are not seeking treatment for their ED, and I get why. We've had the pill with all of its side effects for about 30 years, only really masks the symptoms. It does nothing to fix it. Well, now we have a technology, not a pill.
Okay, this is huge because no side effects, right? Because I think that scares a lot of men away of having, I have a husband, timing and remembering to do things, it's not his strong suit, you know? I think it's a lot of guys out there struggle with the same thing. This, you don't have to worry about it. It's just fixed and you're just ready to go, right?
Yes, so the machine itself kind of looks like this small ultrasound machine. It's placed on the skin where gentle pressure waves travel through the skin into the blood vessels, helping them to expand to allow for more blood flow, oftentimes repair themselves. So not only can you get rid of the pill, you could be looking at an end to your ED.
And I love what you said. This is like the more natural way to go about things. And I heard gentle, because I think a lot of guys out there are wondering, okay, this sounds great, but how bad is this going to hurt?
Yeah, it doesn't hurt. And you know, I think what hurts the most is missing that time out with your partner, you know, the kind of stress that you carry with ED. But the pill, you have to stop action with your partner to get a glass of water and then time it out. Not very many men, like you said, are great at this. So getting over it and getting rid of the pill, not having surgery, needles or injection, that's the idea. Pain-free, only about 15 minutes in our clinic.
That 15 minutes, and time is the only thing that we can't get back. So do not delay. Does this work for every man, or is there certain criteria that don't work for some guys out there?
Well, the best way to know you're a candidate is come in and be assessed. The good news is most men are good candidates for this. So the response rate has obviously been great. This is not an older gentleman's problem. We treat people from 20 to 90. Good job, 90-year-old. But everybody, if they're even experiencing some mild failures in the bedroom, they should probably come in and be assessed.
Well, and I think a lot of people think, oh, maybe it was just stress, maybe I had a little too much to drink, it was a fluke. Well, if it starts being a fluke over and over and over, it's time to call. It's time to get in there. Like we were saying, time is the only thing we can't get back. And luckily, you have a special offer right now, too.
We do. So pick up the phone, because, guys, if you're going through ED, you don't have to. You're going to get the exam, the assessment, and the blood flow ultrasound. We'll do that all for free. Plus, I have an additional gift. It provides powerful results in the bedroom. We'll give that to you free as well. So you really have nothing to lose by picking up the phone and calling us. What you have to gain is getting on the other side of ED.
And finally having a cure for this. Thank you so much for joining us today. And for more information, just go to the website on your screen or call that number right now. Do not delay. Thank you so much for joining us, Miles.
Thank you.